Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we will explore SoFi in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 7th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. As of January 31st, 2025, our system has identified SoFi as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.68. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a loss of 5.64%. This equates to an average daily loss of approximately 0.94% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned in the lower section of a broad and somewhat weak upward trend in the short term, which could indicate a promising buying opportunity. However, should the lower trend floor at $14.53 be breached, it may signify a gradual slowing in the upward movement and could serve as an early warning for a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend forecasts a possible change of 9.12% over the upcoming 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 6.48% to 34.19%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of 108.44% over the next 12 months, with possible returns between 54.6% and 158.31%. This corresponds to a price range of $22.94 to $38.46 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for SoFi stock after gaining approximately 0.6%. The SoFi stock price increased by approximately 0.6% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 7th of February, 2025. The stock rose from $14.80 to $14.89. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.03%, with a low of $14.83 and a high of $15.28. Over the past 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 instances, resulting in a decline of 16.91% during this period. Trading volume also fell on the last day by 15 million shares, with a total of 31 million shares being exchanged for approximately $467.45 million. It is important to note that decreasing volume while prices rise can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $18.42, while the lowest price hit $6.01. Currently, the price is 19.16%, or $3.53, below the 52-week high, and 47.31%, or $13.37, below the all-time high of $28.26, which was recorded on the 1st of February, 2021. SoFi Technologies, identified by the symbol SOFI, has experienced a mixed performance recently. The shares rose by 0.74% on Friday, but they remained down by 0.40% over the past week, primarily due to a notable decline of 4.75% on Thursday. In recent earnings reports, the company provided robust revenue guidance. However, management forecasted weak earnings per share, leading to a cautious outlook from investors. This hesitance comes particularly as the fintech sector has faced increased scrutiny following disappointing results from significant players like PayPal. Despite these challenges, SoFi showcases strong fundamentals, having added 750,000 new customers in the fourth quarter of 2024 and achieving substantial net profit growth. Analysts maintain a cautiously optimistic view, believing that despite short-term fluctuations, SoFi's growth trajectory could suggest a price target of $25 by the end of the year, positioning it as a potential buy for long-term investors. Current sentiments indicate a possibility for volatility. However, SoFi's customer acquisition and revenue growth may favorably position the stock for recovery. The long-term outlook depends on the company's capability to manage market expectations and enhance profitability, particularly within a saturated fintech landscape. Investors are encouraged to monitor both quarterly performance and broader market trends, as these factors could significantly impact SOFI's stock price in the future. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SOFI a buy rating while maintaining a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, Deutsche Bank reported a hold rating for SOFI, also with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, Morgan Stanley assigned SOFI an underweight rating, again with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, Jefferies gave SOFI a buy rating while also maintaining a hold action. On Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, Bank of America Securities assigned an underperform rating to SOFI with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SOFI stock. They have rated the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for SOFI. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which could impact its short-term performance. SOFI stock currently presents sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more pessimistic outlook. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $15.44 and $15.72. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 23, 2025. And to date, the stock has experienced a decline of 17.42%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots, signal to sell recorded 12 days ago. Bollinger, signal to buy noted 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, signal to sell noted 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, signal to sell noted 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages. Buy signal identified 4 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, signal to sell recorded 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, signal to sell noted 107 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal identified 112 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOFI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $14.13 and $14.11. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, because if this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SOFI finds support just below today's level at $14.13. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $14.11 and $13.01. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 450 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 3.03%. For the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 3.97%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SOFI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively normal, typically observed in companies with a long history or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the forthcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of May, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates of 4 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOFI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOFI is at $15.24. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a potential point for swing trading. On the downside, SOFI faces its first support level at $14.13. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SOFI from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of January, 2025, Keo Kelly conducted an insider sale of 8,914 shares of common stock. On the 21st of May, 2024, Freiberg Stephen J. conducted an insider purchase of 7,571 shares of common stock. On the same date, Freiberg Stephen J. also conducted an insider sale of 7,571 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 23rd of December, 2024, Keo Kelly conducted another insider sale of 8,914 shares of common stock. On the 19th of December, 2024, Rishel Jeremy conducted an insider sale of 64,991 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of minus 56.698. In total, insiders purchased 10,109,807 shares and sold 35,083,882 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop-loss order. Is SOFI stock a good buy? The SOFI stock presents several negative indicators. Even though there is a positive trend, we anticipate that SOFI will likely perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 10th of February, we expect SOFI to open at 11 cents and start trading at $15. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.